In the beautiful UNESCO-protected lagoon lies the port of Venice, a crucial node of the European 10T network. Here, natural beauty and economic activity have always coexisted hand in hand, and Venice has always found the most innovative solutions to guarantee this coexistence. The Malamocco Marghera Channel is the only access route to the Marghera docks. It is necessary to optimize the navigability of the channels while respecting the lagoon environment. For this reason, the Port System Authority decided to analyse the impact of navigation as to identify protection solutions and to guarantee an improved nautical accessibility. The study was financed by the European Commission and the Port System Authority. It is innovative, combines different approaches, and involves experts from all over the world. The scientific process used is recursive. The 3 phases that make up the study were repeated several times to obtain increasingly accurate results and achieve the final package of solutions. The first phase is the hydrodynamic study. The lagoon's climate characteristics were recreated based on historical data, then calibrated with field sensors to develop reliable future scenarios. Thanks to advanced technologies and precise surveys, an immersive 3D simulation environment was created, capable of reproducing the navigation of the channel. The second phase involves navigation sessions in the simulator with the help of pilots, tugboats, and the harbour master's officers. The hydrodynamic model of the lagoon environment obtained accurately reproduces the effects of navigation along the Malamocco Marghera Channel and on the lagoon. The third phase delivers a package of solutions for management, infrastructure and bank protection that increase safety and operability of the channel up to 3 times, reduce the dredging maintenance costs and the erosion, halve sediment suspension, and benefit flora and fauna. Thanks to channeling the Green Deal for Venice project, the Port System Authority was capable to demonstrate that sustainable development of the port is already possible, balancing the development of economic activities and the protection of the lagoon.